Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to delete files Windows Update Windows 11 2024-2025. We are going to open the File Explorer. There we go to the path of the Windows folder. Now double-click on the Software Distribution folder. After that, access the contents of the Download folder. Select all the items and click Delete. In some cases, you must check the box to authorize and click Continue to delete these items. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.